Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. If you are new, my name is Jessica. If you are new, I would love to have you click that red subscribe button and hit that little notification bell.
More of your smile. What if the wind could spread your love? What if your sweetness could reach everyone? There'd be no war.
So this was after the weekend and I had done some filming in here, some organizing. That video is already live on my channel. If you're interested, I will have it in the description box for you. I went through this corner right here and organized those drawers and cabinets, and it looks so good. So if you haven't already seen that, you definitely want to check that out. But we had done some baking and some cooking, and I just let it go that night because we watched a movie. And then the next day, we got it all cleaned. So we have a lot of cleaning to do. So I hope you guys enjoy.
You fill my head with roses. I can't help but dream away. Standing on a field with you and flowers everywhere. Maybe there is a star with your name. One thing I know is that there should be. There is no one who has a heart as pure.
If you are curious where I got my adorable cardigan, I got it from Target, and I did just get it, so they should still have them. I love it so much. I loved it on the hanger, and I'm so glad I got it. I don't regret it. It's so much cuter on, and I love the pockets in it, and it's so cozy. So that's where I got it, because I'm sure someone will ask.
Dreaming of you, dreaming of you. I come and go like a rah. They don't want the two be going nah. I'm coming back with the money in the bag. The rubies in my lap, yeah, I'm running for the cash. I come and go like a rah. Putting in the work like I'm way behind. Still dropping on the low, lurking in the mode like I'm running from the bobo.
Clearly, my dance skills are amazing, and I am not doing the right thing with my life. I should be on Broadway. I know.
I can't help but dream away. Standing on a field with you and flowers everywhere. Maybe there is a star with your name. One thing I know is that there should be. There is no one who has a heart as pure. No, not like yours.
So Kensley is always holding her butt in all my videos, I swear, and it's because she has to go to the bathroom, but she's too, I don't know if it's lazy or what, to go. She just doesn't want to miss out on anything. She doesn't want to leave what she's doing. So she walks around holding herself until the very last minute, and then she freaks out that she has to go right now.
Dreaming of you, dreaming of you, I'm dreaming of you. What if the world had more of your smile? What if the wind could spread your love? What if your sweetness could reach everyone? There'd be no wars.
And I am trying so hard to just stay cool. Oh man, I'm saying we're just friends, but thinking you're my man. And baby, if you knew, hey, I say I'm doing alright, I'm doing just fine, but I'm scattered, and I cry.
So who all can relate to the kids, the dogs, or both at your feet all the time? Whenever I'm standing at the sink, I have at least a dog at my feet. There is a vent right under there, and Bailey loves laying there because it's warm, and she will not move. Like, no matter what I do, she will not move. And Kinsley is obsessed with Bailey, so I had lots of company when I was doing the dishes.
I don't wanna be the one with answers.
Also, who's been with me long enough when we brought Bailey home and I did my first cleaning video, like I think it was the day after we got her, and she was laying on the kitchen rug and she was so tiny. Who remembers that? If you can remember it, let me know in the comments.
For me to choose, but I'm like, I say that I'm alright, but cry on the inside. I wish you were my man.
And by the way, I'm using some lavender pine sol mixed with water, hot water, and a rag to clean the countertops. I do this often. It smells so good. I love the regular pine sol and the lavender. They're my favorites. And I use it to mop the floors and everything. But in case you were wondering, that's what I had on my rag. I had it mixed up in the sink. And I also use that to wipe down the appliances and all of the cabinets.
Oh, yeah, I'm scattered. We're just friends. Just friends. So I stay awake, I don't wanna be dreaming. Cause my heart aches when I wake up, it's a sleeping way. Oh, why can't it be you and I? Hey, I say I'm doing alright, I'm fine. Hey, I say I'm doing alright, I'm doing just fine.
So I love to clean my sink out with this soft scrub with bleach, and this one for some reason got really clumpy and hard, and the last bit I had in there wouldn't come out. So I ended up throwing it away and using the soft scrub with Oxy. I love this one. It smells so good. I usually use that in like the bathrooms and stuff, and I use the bleach one for in the sink because I do like to use bleach in the sink. But I had that issue, so it was really weird. I don't know. Have you ever had that happen with the soft scrub stuff? Because I haven't, and that's one product that I've purchased over and over and over again, and that's never happened. So I don't know. It's kind of weird, but that is what I love to clean my sink with. I love the one with bleach, and I love the one with Oxy. The one with Oxy smells like laundry detergent. So now to clean out my sink, I love these Glisten foamer cleaner things that you put in the garbage disposal. I do have a garbage disposal. So you just run the water. I like to keep it at a trickle, and then you put it down in the garbage disposal with it on and let it do its thing. It sanitizes it, cleans it out, and deodorizes. I do one of those once a week. And then in my little birdie that I have sitting there, I have little planks that are lemon scented, and you put those in there to refresh it. It smells really good, and I like to use those on a daily basis. But these Glisten things are my favorite. They are a little bit harder to find. I can only find them at my Publix. I've never been able to find them at Walmart. I know Amazon has them, and I think I might even have them linked in my Amazon store, but they are one of my favorite cleaning products that I have purchased over and over again.
You would stay, but I've always known that you would go and find your own way.
Who loves a clean and shiny sink? I do. So give me a thumbs up if you do too.
And the sun would always shine when we sat there, you and I. The river's gonna cry when you're gone, 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 gone. The river's gonna cry when you're gone, 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 gone. The river's gonna cry when you're gone, 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 gone. The river's gonna cry when you're. The river's gonna cry when you're. The river's gonna cry when you're gone. It's gonna cry, it's gonna cry. River's gonna this place where we grew up, this old town, just leave it all behind. The river's gonna cry.
So like I said earlier in this video, I had done some organizing in the kitchen. So in that box, I had some of my organizing supplies that I was going to use. And then I have a bag of trash that was ready to go out to the outside trash cans. So I had everything kind of setting right there so I could mop the floor. I don't think I videoed that, but actually I didn't video that, but I did mop that day. But that's why they were kind of all piled over there just to clear the kitchen floor so I could mop in there.
I've fallen down. I know that I've hurt the ones that I hold dear, the ones I love. Thought that I would find the answers drinking.
If you're ever interested in where I got anything on my videos, you can check out my home tour. I'll have it linked for you in the description as well. This little pedestal is one of my most often asked questions, and that is from a sweet girl named Lindsay. She has an Instagram. You can go there and she can make you one of those, and she does custom, so you can pick your colors. They're beautiful. I have them throughout my house, and they are my most often asked question of where I got it. But I do have a home tour, so if you are interested in anything else that you see, it's most likely going to be answered in that video. Also, Boxwood and Binky's Instagram is always linked in the description box of all of my videos.
Help me up, I've fallen down. Have you ever felt like someone who's meant to be somewhere else, caught inside a state of mind where nothing is really making sense? That's why I've been left here on the ground. Sister, help me up, I've fallen down. I've been lost far too long. I can't see, I'm trapped in darkness. Life has turned its back on me, it would seem. Brother, help me up, I've fallen down.
I am using the Method Wood for Good to clean off my tables. That is the only thing I use to clean my kitchen table and dust off all my furniture in the living room. It is amazing. It smells so good. You can find it at Grove Collaborative, which I do have a link in the description box, and you can also find it at Target. Like I said, it smells really good. It does dry pretty much instantly, so you do see me wiping down and putting things right back down, but it pretty much dries instantly.
Maybe the birds will sing about your heart. Maybe the trees will whisper the word. Maybe the sun will spread your joy to the ones who lost their hope. Fill my head with roses. I can't help but dream away. Standing on a field with you and flowers everywhere. Maybe there is a star with your name. One thing I know is that there should be. There is no one.
I had washed these pillows and then dried them, and so I was putting them back out. They smelled so good. I do wash my throw pillows if they're not down-filled. There are a lot of pillows nowadays that are like down-filled or down alternative. I would never wash those, but I like to get the kind that have just regular filling in them, and I do wash them in my washing machine and dry them in the dryer, and they do just fine.
Dreaming of you.
thank you so much for watching. And again, if you are interested in where I got anything, definitely check the description box. Some of my most often asked questions I keep listed in there. And then I do have a home tour. And again, I will put that in the description box as well, where I go through and tell you where I got pretty much everything in my house. And this little pedestal is also from Boxwood and Binkies. Is that not adorable? I asked her to make me one for a candle, and this is what I got, and I'm like obsessed with it. It is so cute. And I don't have a candle on it right now. I have a flower, but I am going to put a candle on it eventually. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you're new, please, please, please hit that subscribe button. That way you won't miss when I upload in the future. It really does help to support my channel so I can keep on making content like this for you guys.